Planning a beach getaway to Mexico's stunning Riviera Nayarit. Let me tell you about the Decameron La Marina Guayabitos Ramada all-inclusive resort, a beachfront property that promises unlimited food, drinks, and entertainment without breaking the bank. This place sits right on the golden sands of La Marina Guayabitos, about 45 minutes north of Puerto Vallarta Airport, making it super convenient for travelers flying into the region. The resort combines Mexican colonial charm with modern all-inclusive convenience, featuring whitewashed buildings surrounded by swaying palm trees and direct access to a beautiful sandy beach. With over 240 rooms spread across low-rise buildings on 5 hectares of tropical grounds, this property has been welcoming guests since the 1980s and recently partnered with Ramada by Wyndham to enhance its global appeal. Guest ratings consistently hover around 8 out of 10 across major booking platforms, with travelers praising the exceptional value for money, gorgeous beach location, and family-friendly atmosphere. While some reviews mention that certain facilities show their age and service can be inconsistent during peak seasons, the overall consensus is that this resort delivers a solid 4-star experience at prices that won't empty your wallet. The property has earned TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Awards from 2023 through 2025 and received Booking.com's Guest Review Award in 2024, proving that thousands of satisfied guests have found exactly what they were looking for here. When it comes to accommodations, the Decameron La Marina Guayabitos offers 6 distinct room categories designed to suit different travel styles and budgets. Starting with the standard rooms, you get 30 square meters of comfortable space with either a king bed or 2 queens, a private balcony overlooking the gardens or pool area, air conditioning that keeps things cool in the tropical heat, a flat-screen television for downtime, and a minibar that gets restocked daily with soft drinks and snacks. These entry-level rooms also include a safe for your valuables, coffee maker for morning caffeine fixes, complimentary Wi-Fi to stay connected, hairdryer, and telephone. They can accommodate 3 to 4 guests with a rollaway bed if needed, making them perfect for small families on a budget. Moving up the ladder, superior rooms provide 35 square meters with a similar layout but add a cozy sitting area, iron and ironing board for keeping clothes fresh, plus plush robes and slippers for that extra touch of comfort. These rooms offer partial ocean or garden views and are typically located in quieter sections of the resort. The deluxe category bumps things up to 40 square meters with oceanfront views that let you wake up to waves crashing on the shore. These rooms feature a king bed plus a sofa bed, a liquor dispenser for mixing your own drinks, premium toiletries in the bathroom, and access to the preferred club lounge with exclusive perks. For families needing more space, the junior suites offer 50 square meters with a separate living area, a king bed in the bedroom, microwave for heating snacks, a larger 42-inch television, and a whirlpool tub perfect for relaxing after a day at the beach. These can accommodate 4 to 5 people comfortably. The full suites take luxury up another notch with 65 square meters spread across 2 rooms and 2 bathrooms, featuring premium amenities like an espresso machine for coffee lovers and an iPod dock for your music. These top-tier accommodations come with full ocean views, private check-in service, and enough space for 6 guests. Finally, the family suites are specifically designed for larger groups with 70 square meters, 2 separate bedrooms including one with bunk beds that kids absolutely love, all the amenities of the regular suites, and the option to connect with adjacent rooms if you are traveling with extended family. These can sleep 6 to 8 people and offer either garden or ocean views. Recent updates in 2022 and 2023 brought new air conditioning units and refreshed furniture to many rooms, while some guests note that certain standard rooms still show signs of wear with faded paint visible in user photos online. The resort offers 360-degree virtual tours on its website so you can preview rooms before booking, and thousands of real guest photos on TripAdvisor and Booking.com give you an honest look at what to expect. Now let's talk about what might be the most important part of any all-inclusive resort, the food and drink options. The Decameron La Marina Guayabitos features 6 different dining venues covering everything from casual buffets to specialty restaurants, all included in your room rate with no reservations required for most venues. The main dining hub is El Dorado, a massive 400-seat buffet restaurant serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 11 at night. This family-friendly spot offers international cuisine with live cooking stations where chefs prepare omelets to order at breakfast, fresh fruit displays with tropical selections, lunch spreads featuring tacos and salads alongside international dishes, and themed dinner nights throughout the week including Italian pasta stations and authentic Mexican feasts. Tuesday is Taco Tuesday with all the fixings you can imagine. The atmosphere is casual and welcoming, perfect for families with kids who might not sit still through a formal meal. For something more refined, La Terrazza serves Italian and Mediterranean cuisine in an à la carte format with stunning terrace views overlooking the ocean. Here you will find wood-fired pizzas with crispy crusts, fresh pasta dishes, classic tiramisu for dessert, and seafood risotto that guests rave about in reviews. The restaurant seats 150 people and operates for lunch from noon to 5 and dinner from 6 to 10, with a smart casual dress code that just means no swimwear or tank tops. They also offer a kids menu for younger diners. El Mar specializes in seafood and Mexican cuisine with a beachfront location that lets you dine with your toes practically in the sand. Fresh catches of the day are displayed on ice, and the menu features ceviche prepared tableside, grilled fish with traditional seasonings, rich mole sauces, and lobster available for an additional charge. This 100-seat restaurant operates for dinner only from 6 to 10, and reservations are advised during peak times to avoid waiting. For something completely different, Bamboo brings Asian fusion to the table with sushi rolls prepared by skilled chefs, stir-fry dishes cooked to order, and teppanyaki presentations where chefs perform tricks while cooking your meal. The lantern-lit atmosphere seats 80 guests for dinner service, and they host a special sushi night once a week that is extremely popular. The beach bar is your go-to spot during the day for casual snacks like burgers and nachos, along with an endless supply of tropical cocktails, cold beer, and frozen drinks. Open from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, this 100-seat palapa-style bar welcomes guests in swimwear and provides the perfect spot to grab lunch without leaving the sand. Finally, the lobby bar offers a more relaxed lounge atmosphere with comfortable sofas, appetizers to nibble on, and skilled bartenders mixing margaritas and other cocktails from 11 in the morning until midnight. They feature live music on Friday and Saturday nights, making it a popular spot for sunset drinks before dinner. The pool and beach facilities at this resort are genuinely impressive and often mentioned as highlights in guest reviews. 3 distinct pools cater to different preferences and age groups. The main family pool is absolutely massive at 1,200 square meters with depths ranging from 1 to 1.5 meters, making it safe for kids while still deep enough for adults to actually swim. This pool features a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water, surrounded by hundreds of loungers under palm trees and umbrellas. The atmosphere here is lively and social, with music playing and activities happening throughout the day. For adults seeking peace and quiet, the adults-only pool offers 500 square meters of tranquil space with an infinity edge that seems to blend right into the ocean horizon. This pool is perfect for couples wanting to relax with a book or enjoy romantic sunset swims without the splash and noise of children playing. The kids' pool is 300 square meters of pure fun with shallow areas safe for toddlers and water slides that keep older children entertained for hours. All 3 pools operate from 8 in the morning until 8 at night year-round, with complimentary towel service and poolside waiters who bring drinks and snacks right to your lounger. The beach is truly the star of the show here with 300 meters of golden sand frontage and calm waters perfect for swimming. The beach is well maintained with daily cleanings, and the gentle waves make it safe for families with young children. Beach waiters patrol the sand taking drink orders so you never have to leave your spot, and the resort provides unlimited loungers and umbrellas included in your stay. For the more adventurous, complimentary kayaks and paddleboards are available to explore the coastline, while snorkeling equipment and boat tours can be arranged for an additional fee. The water is typically clear enough to spot tropical fish near the shore, and the beach faces west, providing absolutely spectacular sunset views every evening. Guest reviews consistently rate the beach as a 9 out of 10 for location and quality, with many travelers saying the beach access alone justifies booking this resort. Beyond lounging by the pool or beach, the resort offers an impressive array of activities to keep guests entertained throughout their stay. The fitness center provides a solid workout space with treadmills, stationary bikes, free weights, yoga mats, and enough equipment for a complete exercise routine. The center opens at 6 in the morning for early birds and stays open until 9 at night, with daily group classes including aqua aerobics in the pool and high-energy Zumba sessions that are genuinely fun even if you have 2 left feet. Personal training sessions are available for an additional charge if you want customized guidance. Water sports enthusiasts will appreciate the complimentary kayaks and paddleboards mentioned earlier, and the activities team organizes beach volleyball games, water polo matches in the pool, and even morning yoga sessions on the sand. Throughout the day, animation staff lead games and competitions ranging from water aerobics to dance lessons to trivia contests with small prizes. Evenings bring nightly entertainment shows featuring everything from traditional Mexican folkloric performances with colorful costumes and live music to magic shows that amaze kids and adults alike. The resort also has a disco that opens after the shows for guests wanting to dance late into the night. Seasonal events add extra excitement with Halloween costume parties, elaborate Christmas buffets, and New Year's Eve celebrations that guests rave about in reviews. The activities team is enthusiastic and multilingual, ensuring that guests from different countries can participate fully. For those wanting to explore beyond the resort, the concierge can arrange excursions including whale-watching tours during migration season, visits to nearby surf towns, golf outings at championship courses, and cultural trips to local markets. The spa and wellness facilities provide a peaceful escape when you need to recharge your batteries. Spa offers a comprehensive menu of treatments including Swedish massages for general relaxation, hot stone massages that melt away tension, facials using quality products, manicures and pedicures to keep you looking fresh, and their signature Decameron ritual treatment that combines an ocean-inspired body scrub with massage techniques over 80 luxurious minutes. The facilities include a sauna and steam room that are perfect for detoxifying, 4 private treatment rooms where therapists work their magic, and a relaxation lounge where you can decompress before and after your treatments. The spa operates from 9 in the morning until 7 in the evening, and bookings can be made through the resort app or at the concierge desk with 24 hours notice recommended especially during busy periods. Prices are reasonable compared to spa services in major cities, and couples treatments are available in a special suite designed for 2. The wellness focus extends beyond the spa with daily yoga and meditation classes offered on the beach at sunrise, providing a serene way to start your day with the sound of waves as your soundtrack. Aqua aerobics classes in the pool provide low-impact exercise that is easy on joints while still delivering a solid workout. The resort has also implemented sustainability initiatives including plastic-free policies, solar panels providing renewable energy, and reef protection programs to preserve the marine environment, so you can feel good about your vacation's environmental impact. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.